This is the best time to get any of our courses. Black Friday is on and it's going to be running until December 1st. 50% off on all the courses, 80% off on the big bundle. So like I said, this is the best time to get stuff. Now, we covered the entire curriculum for hard surface for Blender and Plasticity, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, we have stuff for you. For example, for beginners there is an accelerator course, for more advanced folks there's gonna be the hard ops and box cutter course, the mech course, etc. For people who wanna go into subdivision, there is a sub D course, and we also have a brand new course for 3D printing. Every single one of you should look into the rendering university course, because every pro out there will tell you that portfolio is the most important thing you should be working on, and this course is specifically focusing on your portfolio and is brilliant. You also should check out our Material Works add-on, which was recently beefed up to a new version which supports adding decals and trim sheets to your mesh. So you got 50 professional textures, 25 word textures, you have 860 decals, 20 trim sheets, and you don't need decal machine anymore to add these decals and trim sheets to your mesh. It's just one-click deals. It's insane, okay? So either way, click the link in the video description, go to our page, check out all the Black Friday deals and grab whatever you need. And remember, we are shutting it down on December 1st. As always, thank you so much for your support. Cheers, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.